I just put aloe vera all over my hands. I'm gonna go high five my little brother. What's up, dude? What's up?
What's up?
What are you doing in here?
Making my bed.
Dude, that basketball's hit. Sick.
It
High
looks-
five.
Is that spin? Dude, that's actually gross.
It's on your bed. Oh my god, what? What is that? Is that lube?
No, accidentally.
It's okay, man.
Dude.
What? Yo, let's see a slam dunk though. Pussy? Let's get out of here, dude. I repped that West.